What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Windows button is not opening. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First what you need to do guys, just open your task manager. If you can't open, just press Ctrl Alt and delete and you will see task manager. Just open it, just go here on process and find Windows Explorer. Just go right click and go here restart. The second step is guys to press Windows button and X and open here Windows PowerShell administrator. Go yes and type this command here and press enter. Just wait for finish this process. If you see this red arrow, just skip them. Wait for finish this process. When you finish this process like me, you will see all this error and that's all okay. Just go and restart your PC. When you restart your PC guys and you press your Windows button, try to type PC. If still don't work, do this step. Press Windows button X, go here Windows PowerShell administrator, go yes and type this command here like me. I also leave you this command in description of video and hit enter and wait for this process to finish. When you finish this process like me, go and restart your PC. Just check this, press Windows button and all it's fine guys. Type me in comments if you fixed this like me, hit like and subscribe and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.